with oyster sauce by Pantoja Maria Shane P. Ingredients: 1/2 kilo shrimp, ground pepper, 200 ml Sprite, minced garlic, 25 ml butter, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, chopped onions, and Himalayan salt. The first step is we will going to put our shrimp and our Sprite to marinate for 1 hour. After waiting an hour, we are going to put the butter in the heated pan and wait until it melts. Next is we are going to add the minced garlic. Next is we are going to put the marinated shrimp. Let's cook the shrimp thoroughly. Next, we are going to add the oyster sauce and the Sprite. Next is our ground pepper. Lastly, the salt to taste. We'll wait 5 to 7 minutes to make it totally cook. After cooking the shrimp, we are going to add our chopped onions to garnish it. Tada! Now we can serve it for our family dinner.